Hello dear students, welcome to today's session of online class. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is computers in accounting. You are very familiar with computer, its elements. Now what is computer in accounting? What role does a computer plays in accounting? Let us discuss that. In this chapter, most of the topics are deleted and what is left is these many topics: Introduction to Computers and Accounting Information System, which is also known as AIS. Then we will learn Introduction to Computers, that is elements, its capabilities, limitations of computer system. So these points we will discuss. So let us see what is computer system. You have studied this concept in your lower classes. Computer is an electronic machine capable of making calculations, storing and analyzing data, and bringing out meaningful information by acting on a set of instructions. So computer, which is an electronic machine, it does all the work of calculation, storing, analyzing the data, and it provides you with some meaningful information. And the computer does all this activity on the basis of the instruction which is already set in it. So on the basis of the set instruction, these activities are performed by the computer. So this is what a computer system means. Now let us see what are the elements of a computer system. A computer system ideally consists of following three major elements. They are hardware, software, and humanware. What is hardware? Hardware is the components of computer that have physical existence. So we can see a monitor, a keyboard. So these things are the hardware or components of computer that has the physical existence. Now what is software? Software is a set of instructions on the basis of which a computer operates. So software is those set of instructions with the help of which this computer perform different functions. Okay. Now humanware. People interacting with the computer and executing the program or software are known as humanware. So these are the main elements of a computer system which you have already studied in your lower classes. So now hardware. Computer hardware are the components, as we saw in the earlier slide, which have a physical existence. Now basic components of a computer hardware. Which are the basic components? It's keyboard, processor, which is subdivided into ALU, that is arithmetic logical unit, then memory unit and control unit. Then we have primary storage memory, secondary storage devices, keyboard, sound card and speakers, monitor and liquid crystal display panel, and printer. So these are some list of basic components of the computer hardwares. Now what are the capacities of a computer system? Speed. As you know, computer has the capacity to calculate or come up with the solution at a high speed. So within its range is not within our imagination. It's too quickly it calculate or come up with all the required information. So speed is one of the important capabilities or feature of a computer system. Next is accuracy. So as per the software we have provided, it provide us with the useful information in a very accurate way. Okay, it is very consistent and it is very accurate. Whatever result you will be provided by the computer, it will be very accurate. Reliability, you can fully rely on the information provided by the computer system. It will never make any mistake. Okay, next point is versatility. It refers to the ability of the computer to perform different types of tasks. It may be a simple task as well as complex task. So all sort of activities a computer can perform. That is one speciality of a computer system. Then storage and retrieval, that is the storage capacity of a computer is a huge. Okay, so a big sort of data can be stored in the computer system. Okay, so these are some of the capabilities of a computer system.